Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to set Adobe Reader as the default PDF viewer in Windows 11. First, press Ctrl and S on your keyboard to open the search bar. In the search bar, type Settings and open the Settings app. Now, on the left side, find and click on Apps. Inside the Apps menu, click on Default Apps. This will open a list of all the default applications on your computer. Scroll down and find Adobe Acrobat in the list, or you can search for it by typing Adobe Acrobat in the search bar at the top. Once you find it, click on Adobe Acrobat. Here, you will see a list of file types like PDF, XDP, and others. Next to each file type, there will be an option to select which app you want to use by default. To set Adobe Acrobat as the default for PDF files, click on each file type and select Adobe Acrobat from the list of options. Repeat this for all the file types you want Adobe Acrobat to handle. Once you've done that, Adobe Acrobat will be set as the default app for all your PDF and related files. That's it. You've successfully set Adobe Acrobat as your default PDF viewer in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.